Sometimes playing Splash Clash with kid coders around the world is high pressure. Am I right, my dude?
I feel seen.
But bruh, you can always practice your sweet coding skills with your friends using a party code.
But how?
Check it out, my dude! In Splash Clash, hit party mode.
All right.
Then type your code here under join match.
Then tap the check mark.
You know it! And boom, you got yourself a little party. Up to 4 of you can join, bruh.
Wow! But does that mean just anybody can join my party?
No way, amigo! Only your buds with the same code can join.
But what if I want to host?
Just hit the big green create match, bruh. It makes a code for you to give to your besties. But ask your parents or teacher first.
Just my friends.
No code, no party. Those are the rules, bruh.
All right, I'll try it. Party mode. I go to party.
Yeah.
Tap green create match.
Yup.
Find my code.
Yeah.
Get my parents' permission.
Match.
And share my code.
Dude.
Code.
Let's